Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of Toyota RAV4. It's the older version, but to make it up to date to the latest technology media wise, we've installed a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. We've used nice fascia here so it all fits in nicely. This unit's got Apple CarPlay wirelessly and wired, Android Auto wirelessly and wired as well. We've got a USB in the glove box for charging and if you want to use it via wire. It's also got other features, digital radio, FM. It's also got rear camera inputs as well if you want a rear camera. You've also got a dash cam link that you can have that will come up on the front screen. It's a really nice unit. If you'd like to have this done in your RAV4, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.